Do your elbows and knees look dark and scruffy? This can affect individuals of all skin types, though it often occurs in people with darker skin tones. That's because darker skin is more likely to overproduce melanin. There may be several causes of dark skin on knees, elbows, and other joints. These include accumulation of dead skin cells, friction, sun exposure, certain skin conditions, such as eczema, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. When pigmentation occurs on these areas of the skin, using soap does not usually help one get an even skin tone. While dark knees and elbows are harmless, some people want to lighten them to match the skin on their knees with the rest of their body. Here are a few natural remedies that will help one lighten the skin tone of elbows and knees. 1. Lemon lime. Lemon contains bleaching and exfoliating properties, therefore it is excellent for getting rid of dark patches. Lemon gets rid of dead skin cells while simultaneously lightening the skin. Cut a lemon in half and rub it on the affected areas every evening for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wipe dry and moisturize. Repeat this daily for about 2 weeks. Keep the affected areas away from direct sunlight as lemon increases the skin's sensitivity, which could result in burning sensation. 2. Curd. Curd is known to be a good moisturizer. But not many know that sour curd can also help lighten one's skin tone. Add a teaspoon of vinegar and gram flour to sour curd, and apply the mix. Rinse after 15 minutes with warm water. 3. Baking soda. Mix baking soda with milk to get a thick paste. Apply the paste on your elbows and knees and rinse after 5 minutes. Do this once a week for 2 months. 4. Aloe vera gel. Many people claim aloe vera gel can lighten skin, although there isn't sufficient scientific evidence to support this claim. Advocates of aloe vera point to a compound called allosin. Allosin reduces hyperpigmentation caused by sun exposure. To try this remedy, apply 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel to your knees. 2. Gently apply to your skin with clean hands. 3. Repeat this 2 to 3 times per week. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is conventionally used to lighten skin. Curcumin, its primary compound, is thought to be responsible for this effect. Researchers have found that curcumin inhibits tyrosinase activity. This limits melanin synthesis, which may help decrease hyperpigmentation. To use turmeric, combine 1/2 teaspoon turmeric and 1 tablespoon yogurt or honey. Apply to the affected areas and leave on for 10 minutes and then wash off with lukewarm water. If you leave it on for too long, the turmeric will stain your skin, leaving it yellowish. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week. What are some of the remedies you have tried to get rid of dark knees and elbows? Let us know in the comment section below.